Never ever give up until you become a fluent English speaker. During your English practice journey, occasionally you may feel frustrated, fed up. But I wanna say you, this is very common situation for everyone who want to learn spoken English. Sincerely speaking, at this moment, I'm used to speaking in English every day, every moment, every time. But sometimes I feel frustrated, boring because I haven't achieved my enormous dream yet. But I never give up. Every day I'm used to practicing in English because I have a dream and I will never give up until I achieve my aim. So if you want to learn spoken English, never ever give up until you become a fluent English speaker. This is very this is one of the greatest rule to enhance your English skills.